So hello guys, and I am Ranjan M. Riveros, and for today we will be doing experiment 12 JK and D flip-flops. For our first experiment, let's see here's first circuit. First circuit is D flip-flop. You can see here the pin 1 and pin 2 are both connected. Then the output pin 3 is connected to pin 12, which is green. And for the oranges, it is pin 11 to pin 8, pin 9, then pin 8 to pin 13. That's for the oranges. And for the outputs are the violets or the purples. So pin 8 and pin 11 are connected to the output in 2 and in 3. Next, the in 1 is directly connected to the SPDT switch. So let's see here. So that's it for our circuit. Now I'm going to explain the truth table. First, let's try to simulate. If we have an input of 0, start at 0, then our output will be 1 for in 3. So 0 in 1 into 0 in 3, 1. Next, if we change it to 1, our output in 1 will be 1 into 1, 0. So let's proceed to the explanation. So as you can see here, first let's understand the NAND gate truth table. So if the both inputs are 1, then the output is automatically 0. But if you have an input of 0, automatically you have an output of 1. So here, let's explain. For in 3 is 1, D1 is 0. So D1, 0 first. Let's go to the pin 10, 0, then automatically the output will be 1. So see here, the output is 1. Then the output 1 is directly connected to pin 13. Then we have our 1. Next, for 0, it went to a NOT gate. Then it changed into 1. So both inputs are 1. Thus, the output is 0. Having into 0, in 3, 1. Then in 1, 0. Next, for the input 1 for D1, so in 1 is directly connected to the switch, thus making it the output of 1. Here, let's put it to pin 10. We have pin 10, 1, 0. Here we have 0, so if we have a 0, automatically the output will be 1 for the NAND gate. Thus, in2 is 1. So, pin 11 is connected to pin 9. So, we have both 1 for our pin 9 and pin 10. Thus, our output for pin 3 is 0. So, hello guys, for circuit 2, makikita natin dito. Nagawa ko na yung diagram. So, let's try to simulate. So, first, ang gagawin natin is on muna natin ang D3, ang clock input natin. So, ano natin, D3. So, ayan, makikita natin na nagkaroon ng output ang in5 since directly connected siya. Then, nagbigay ng 1 input rito sa D3. Isang logic gate. Next, on natin is D4. So, ayan. Ang nag-light up naman is in6. Then, off natin is D3. Ayan, may naiwan na ritong 1 dahil sa memory. May naiwan na rito. Next, i-off na natin yung D4. So, makikita rito guys, may naiwan talaga itong 1 na input. Tapos, i-ulit natin. D3, off on yung D3. Stop ulit natin, D3. Ganun pa rin guys.